Whether from your garden or the store, skip the cutting board mess and snip large amounts of herbs quickly and neatly with these RSVP herb scissors. Designed with a unique set of 5 sharp stainless steel blades, these scissors can cut, chop, and mince directly into a pan or onto your plate for garnishing. The large handles even have a silicone lining for a comfortable grip. That was easy.
This is the muddler.
One of the most versatile tools I have in my bar is a muddler. Muddling fruits, berries, herbs to extract the juices and flavoring agents I need to make it aromatic or sour in my mojitos, caipirinhas, or vodka limes.
Chef Tony Matas for BarbecueGuys.com. Today I'm reviewing this set of 4 mini steak probe thermometers. They come with an all stainless casing and they have a 2.25 inch probe on this end. This is all stainless. As you can see from the close-up, each one of these button thermometers has a section on this end that says rare, medium, and well, that corresponds to a 140, 150, 160, 170 degree Fahrenheit, and it also has Celsius on the inside. I hope you'll consider BBQ Guys for your next grill or grilling accessory purchase. We won't be beat on customer service, and remember, we smoke the competition.
When you're busy cooking, preparing woody, stemmed herbs like rosemary and thyme can be really tedious. Not when you've got a zip strip. This handy little gadget removes herb leaves from their stems in a zip. To use, take your herb and put the base through the hole that is just slightly bigger than the stem. And then pull. The bowl at the bottom catches the herbs and it measures them at the same time. Let's try some thyme. Again, place the base of the herb in the hole that's just slightly bigger than the stem and pull. And you can see how easy it is. When you're done, place the zip strip on the top rack of your dishwasher for easy cleaning.
Hi, I'm Amanda from The Hot Plate, and I'm here to tell you about Trudeau's pot clip. I'm obsessed with this silicone pot clip. It saves me so much mess in the kitchen. This little silicone gadget just attaches to the edge of my pot and holds my ladle or my spoon, leaving me hands-free and all of that residue from my ladle dropping back into the pot. Best of all, it's heat resistant and dishwasher safe. Look how simple it is to rest my spoon while my tomato soup simmers, or when taking a break from endlessly stirring this risotto. The pot clip is so helpful and makes my time in the kitchen even more enjoyable.